Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Valorant error. Please close other Riot Games products before signing out. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing to do is go ahead and search for Riot client here. So if you for some reason you can open this or you can find a Riot client, all you have to do is on your desktop, right click and then open file location of Valorant shortcut and then go over to UX here and make sure to find right client UX and then open that. Once you are here, as you can see, I am signed out, but you need to have to be signed out here by clicking on this one and signing out. But for some reason, if this doesn't work, this is only a temporary solution. So I'll show you the method too on how you can fix this. So the second method is going over to run command on the run app on Windows, and you have to type in app data here. Okay, and then go over to local and then go ahead and find in Riot Games. And what basically this does uh, is we will go ahead and delete the uh, three files or the cache files of Valorant. Don't worry guys, these are just uh, minor files, so this will not affect your account or anything. This will regenerate once we go back into the Valorant game. So as you can see, you just need to delete this. So there. Once you've deleted this, once you've deleted that, right here. So all you need to do is go ahead and exit Riot Games. As you can see, it's now deleted. And then go ahead to add or remove programs and search for Vanguard here. Right, Vanguard. All you need to do is uninstall this one. You just have to press on yes. And all you need to do is go back to the Riot client. Once done uninstalling Vanguard, and it should go ahead and uh, place here installing icon here, and all you need to do is wait for it to finish and you should be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching and goodbye.